What if I told you that losing weight doesn't start with starving yourself? It starts with eating the right foods. Every year, expensive supplements and extreme workout plans only to gain the weight back. The truth is that sustainable weight loss isn't about eating less, it's about eating smarter. In today's video, you'll discover the healthiest diet habits backed by nutrition experts that can help you burn fat, control hunger, and improve your... Stay until the end, because one simple habit could completely change the way you lose weight. Your weight loss journey begins with understanding calories. To lose body fat, your body needs to burn more calories than it consumes, but that doesn't mean skipping meals. Instead, focus on nutrient-dense foods that keep you full for longer. Fill half your plate with colorful vegetables such as broccoli, spinach, carrots, peppers, and leafy greens. These foods are natural. Add lean protein sources like grilled chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, tofu, or Greek yogurt, because protein helps preserve muscle, while healthy carbohydrates are also important. Instead of white bread, sugary cereals, and pastries, choose whole grains like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These foods release energy slowly, preventing blood sugar spikes that often lead to overeating. Don't be afraid of healthy fats either. Avocados, almonds, walnuts, olive oil, chia seeds, and salmon contain healthy fats that support heart health and help you stay satisfied between meals. Portion control is the key. Even healthy foods should be eaten in moderation. One of the biggest mistakes people make is drinking their calories. Sugary sodas, flavored coffee drinks, energy drinks, and etc. Instead, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for around 2 to 3 liters daily, unless your healthcare provider recommends otherwise. Drinking a glass of water before meals may help reduce appetite, and staying hydrated supports digestion, energy levels, and overall metabolism. Meal timing can also make a difference. Try eating balanced meals every 3 to 4 hours to avoid extreme hunger that often leads to unhealthy food choices. A healthy breakfast with protein and fiber can reduce cravings later in the day. Healthy snack options include fresh fruit, unsalted nuts. Avoid eating late at night out of boredom or stress, and practice mindful eating by slowing down, chewing thoroughly, and stopping. Diet alone isn't enough for long-term success. Combine healthy eating with regular physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week, such as brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or strength training. Building muscle increases the number of calories your body burns even while resting. Quality sleep is equally important because poor sleep can increase hunger hormones and make unhealthy foods more tempting. Managing stress through walking, meditation, or hobbies can also prevent emotional eating. Finally, remember that there is no magic diet that works for everyone. The best weight loss plan is one that you can maintain for life. Focus on consistency rather than perfection. Small daily improvements, choosing healthier meals, staying active, drinking enough water, and getting enough sleep, can lead to significant weight loss over time. Before starting any major diet plan, especially if you have diabetes, heart disease, or another medical condition, speak with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. Healthy weight loss is a journey, not a race, and every smart choice you make today brings you one step closer to a healthier future.